guys, my name is Candice and I'm a licensed esthetician here at LovelySkin, and welcome to the LovelySkin retail store. Today we are going to be talking all about brows. Today we're going to be starting with an overall brow powder. You want to make sure your brows start from the outside of the nose to the inside of the eye. So her brows are actually starting right where they should. You want them to end from the corner of the nose to the corner of the eye, and you want the natural arch to show from the corner of the nose right over that pupil to right where her natural arch lies. Starting with the corner of the angle on the inside of the brow underneath, we're going to go ahead and create that natural line using kind of feathery brush strokes, bringing it down. Then I'm going to go from the top, again heating those same natural shapes that we had described earlier, from the corner of the nose to the inside of the eye to the corner of the nose to the outside of the eye. It's definitely a lot easier to start lighter and then start building that color as you go. I'm just going to grab that spoolie and just kind of comb it out to get it in a nice soft natural look. Today I'm going to go ahead and start by using the Glow Skin Beauty. This is the Micro Precise Brow Liner, and then we're going to go ahead and finish with the Glow Skin Beauty. This is their brow gel, just to help kind of seal everything in place. I'm going to go ahead and kind of create those brow strokes, starting on the inside and working my way out. Now, whether you're using a powder or a pencil, you just have to go with your own personal preference and your level of skill. Sitting down with an esthetician or a makeup artist is definitely recommended the first time when you're first looking. That way you can get the right color match and also find the right kind of style you're looking for. Okay, now that I've got her brows filled in, I'm gonna go ahead and use that spoolie to help gently comb them out. And we're gonna go ahead and finish with that clear brow gel to hold everything in place. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call our customer service, visit our website at lovelyskin.com, or stop in store today.